Thank you for visiting my visual tour today. If you have questions or would like to schedule an appointment to personally tour property on Lake Wedowee, call Terry Norton at 404-317-5120. We work hard for our clients. This is one of the most unique lake homes on Lake Wedowee. Beautiful designed architecture with an open floor plan, spacious kitchen with upgraded cabinets, eat-in bar and dining area. The family room offers a freestanding rock fireplace with gas logs and large windows that offers awesome views of the lake. The master suite is on the main level with a master bathroom with a walk-in closet. The upstairs has 2 bedrooms and a bunk area for the kids and a full bathroom. The terrace level is ideal for all the lake enthusiasts in mind, with a spacious family room with a rock fireplace with gas logs. Plenty of room for the family to enjoy the lake life. There is a large bedroom and a full bathroom for your family or lake guests. Enjoy the views of the lake from the deck on the main level and the patio area. You are a few steps to the lake with a new stationary dock with a sun deck and a 4,500 pounds boat lift. The boat house has 2 winch systems to handle all your lake toys and plenty of storage.